हेलो बच्चों, टुडेज टॉपिक इज एक्सरसाइज 1.4 4.4 that is the last exercise of the chapter linear equation. Before going through this exercise, I will explain one question from the previous exercise. That is the question, this is a point 3, 4 lies on a line 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Find the value of a. In this equation there is a additional letter a is involved and its value is being asked. The point 3, 4 lies on the equation means when you will plot the line, this point will on the plotting will fall on the same line. It does mean this point will satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation means when you will put the values of x and y in the equation, both side LHS and RHS will be equal. This is given in the question indirectly. Lies means this will satisfy. Then solution would be since 3, 4 lies on 3y is equal to ax plus 7. So simply at x is equal to 3 you will substitute and y is equal to 4 you will substitute. 3 into value of y is 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 4 3 are 12 minus 7 is equal to a 3a. This will be 5 is equal to 3a, then a is equal to 5 upon 3. This will be the solution. In this manner various questions can be formed. This question was given in the previous exercise. Now today exercise 4.4. The topic is nothing special to be explained, but the equation has been given in exercise 4.4. y is equal to 3. One thing you should observe, only one variable has been given. The question is saying represent this as one variable. First part is one variable and second is two variable. One variable means simply the number line. On number line you have to represent this, and two variable means two line, that is one is x, one is on y. In this format you will have to express. Simply for solution of point first part, you will draw a number line, take a point 0, place both side arrows. This side negative numbers false, this side positive false. Since the number is positive, then no need to draw the negative. Moreover, you can draw -1 or -2. This is 1, 2. I am putting these values randomly, but you will mark these points with the help of scale, as previous two lectures I have explained you properly. 3 and 4. This is the, simply you can encircle this point or you can extend the line like this, y is equal to 3. This is simply the representation in one variable. When you will talk about the second part, you will draw a number line, not the number line but the Cartesian plane or the x and y axis system. Again plot the points on equal distances. When you will talk about the two variables, the two variable means variable will be x and y, but in this question y is not existing. It does mean value of y would be 0. Value of x would be 0. Then on the x axis nothing to move, on the y axis you will move 3, 1, 2, 3. It would be at this place. This is y is equal to 3 representation. In this way there are two questions only in the exercise 4.4. These can be solved. Or algebraic representation if being asked, then it is simply it is one variable and two variable means x should be involved, then 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. This may be algebraic representation of the given equation. This is graphical representation, this is algebraic representation. In this way you can solve your exercise. The chapter completes today and you solve it properly. Thank you.